Hey guys, 2009 GMC Acadia, replacing the AC, compressor and the spark plugs and ignition coil. As you see, I took off the intake manifold in order to access to the ignition coil and the spark plugs to the other side. But the purpose of making this video is because of the AC compressor replacement. So we have to take the alternator first. Like you see, this is the spot for the alternator, and on the bottom there is a AC compressor that whenever you take the alternator off, you will be able to take the AC compressor easily. The trick for the alternator removal is there is a idler put in front of the alternator, so you will be able to loosen it up all the way, but you won't be able to take the screw off. As soon as you take these two nuts off, you will be able to take the alternator with the idler and the screw all together out. And the trick is, you're supposed to put the idler in the alternator and put it in the place, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to put the idler back in. And the alternator, as you see, is off. The AC compressor is off, and the reason for the AC compressor replacement is because of the clutch is broken. See, it's stuck, and I took off the alternator, intake manifold and everything. Good luck.